Hey guys, welcome back to FixItPhillip. Thanks for watching. This is the last video for the 2003 Toyota Tacoma. We're going to do an exterior door handle. This one here, and it is broken, as you can see. Okay, so this one's a manual cranking window, so we have to take this crank off. We have a Phillips screw here, and then underneath these two covers here we have two more Phillips screws. So first we'll take off the window crank. There's a clip in there that sits like this, kind of like a U shape. So we're going to use a pick and pull that U out. That way we can pull this off. I'll try to do it with one hand here. There we go. So there's a little groove here that this clip holds on, so when you have it this way, you stick in the pick and you pull out the clip, and then you can pull it off. Okay, now we got this Phillips screw here. Push the handle forward towards the front of the vehicle. Then you have this retainer clip that holds the rod on. You pull that out and push down on the rod, and that'll come out. Okay, we can take these two little covers off here. 1, 2. And we have a Phillips screws in here. And another one here. There's a bunch of body clips on the inside of the door that holds it on. So we just got to pull the door panel out and those clips will pop off. Okay, I'm just going to wedge in a flat screwdriver here to get my fingers in here. There you go. We can lift up. We have a connector here for the speaker. You just squeeze and pull it out of the connector. I'm just gonna put this window crank back on real quick. We gotta roll the window up. And here's the exterior door handle looking at the inside of the door panel. So we have an orange clip here for the lock cylinder. We're gonna unclip that. Push that out. Then we have a yellow clip here from the door handle to the actual door latch. Take that off as well. There it goes. Okay, we got this 10mm bolt here. And for this one over here, there's a little access hole. I'm going to take that one out. Alright, so the exterior door handle has these little tabs here that it holds it in, so we're just going to push up a little bit and then push out and it'll come out. Just keep in mind this lock cylinder here is held down by that same 10mm bolt as the exterior door handle. So push up, push out. You can pull out the lock cylinder if it's easier, and this will come right out. Okay, so here's the new door handle. We're going to slide in the top first. And then before we push in the bottom and lock it into the tabs, we got to put the lock cylinder back in. So you put it in, and then there's a little slot right here on the plastic door handle, and you twist it clockwise and it locks the lock cylinder into place. And then we can push in the bottom of the door handle and push down a little bit and it'll lock into place. Okay, now we can put the 10mm bolts back in. And we can snug them down. Okay, now we can put the 2 rods back in. Here's the one for the handle to the door latch. So you push it in, and push this tab over to lock it in. Okay, now we can put the rod back on for the lock cylinder. Clip that back on. Okay, now we can try out the lock cylinder with the key, and that's working. And the door handle. You can try latching the door latch a couple times. It's closed. That opened it. Closed. That opened it. So we are good to go. Okay, so we can put the door panel back on and connect the speaker back here. And hook it up from the top first. Okay, now we can hook this rod back up to the interior door handle. And get it back in the notches, push in and then pull it back. You can put that Phillips screw back in. And tighten these 2 screws back up. Here we can put these 2 covers back on. Okay, we can put this clip back in for the interior door handle, and then just push it back on. It locks into place. Okay, now we can try out the door. Works good. Interior door handle. Okay guys, that's it for this 03 Toyota Tacoma for the exterior door handle on the passenger side. Hopefully this video helps you guys out. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button below, and remember, with Fix It Phillip, you can fix it. I'll see you next time.